In this video, I will show how to font in WordPress website. So add a new plugin, search font, enter and install this plugin. Use any font. You can upload custom font. Now activate. Now here click on use any font. Free API key. Server for font conversion. Our server converts your fonts to required types and sends it back. You can get the premium key from here, and you can also generate light or text API key from bottom from button above. Now make sure this free API key only allow single font conversion. So just guys, you can install any custom like Urdu font. Single Urdu font you can't combine Urdu and Arabic font together. Now here guys, you need to click on upload font. Choose a file and select your Urdu font. A website and download freely this Urdu font and upload. I will give link in description. So download and install this font. For this font, upload. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. Once this process complete, open your post where you have the Urdu. Now select your text and select the font which you installed here. So this way you can download. So this way you can use Urdu font in WordPress website. So thanks for watching.